Now that we have our newly enhanced Pokedex API, I want to show you the power of atomic serverless functions. Let's start by checking out a new branch called add region to API, and I'll go ahead and commit all this code inside of it. And once we've done that, let's go ahead and push this branch up. I'll go ahead and use the link right here inside of my terminal to create a pull request. And once we've done that, you'll see that because this repo is already tied with the Netlify site, it automatically kicks off a deploy preview. What that means is that it's going to build an entirely separate URL for our specific branch. Here we can see the deploy logs. And now that everything has been built, we can open our deploy preview by clicking on this button. As we see here, we can see our newly enhanced Pokedex API where we can click on Kanto and Hoenn and everything works as expected. But what's amazing about this is that if we go back and open our production URL here, you'll see that it actually has our original API still deployed to the public. In other words, these two deploys are completely separate from one another. Jumping back into the PR, let's assume everything's great and the team's approved it, so let's go ahead and merge this branch. Once it's done that, Netlify knows that it's time to rebuild main, because new code has been introduced. And you'll see now that once we've gone ahead and built everything, we can go ahead and open the deploy, and you can see our new Pokedex API is now live on production. But a situation that can come up is that what happens when you need to roll back to a previous deploy? Let's say we need to jump back to the original API. Well, to roll back, all we need to do is open the deploy tab inside of our Netlify dashboard and select which deploy we want to revert back to. In this case, we want to revert back to this one at 10:09 p.m. When we click on it, we can see that when we preview it, we still have the original API, so this is the one we want. And to switch our deploy, all we need to do is click Publish Deploy. Once we've done that, when we refresh the page, you'll see that in just a few clicks, we managed to revert back to a past deploy. And in the event we want to switch back, it's just as easy as going back, clicking the latest deploy, and then clicking Publish Deploy. And when we refresh, boom, right back to where we want to be. And just like that, you're now able to switch between different deploys of your serverless functions. And though this might seem simple at first, the ability to be able to confidently switch between different deploys of your serverless functions as needed can be incredibly powerful when it comes to shipping code for your application.